Hi there, this is Rosemary, owner of Hands of Light by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. And I'd like to tell you that I have a few different workshops coming up in New Jersey. On March the 12th, I have an in-person workshop called Develop Your Intuition. We're going to practice with some skills that you have, but you never knew you had. And we're going to do a little bit of photo reading and object reading and people reading. It should be a lot of fun. The class needs 4 to 8 people total to hold the class to make it a fun experience for everyone. So if you're interested, it is March the 12th, 2024 at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, ending about 8:15. On March 26th at 6:30 to 8:15, I have an angel communication class. I've taught this class since probably 1997, 1998. It's one of the favorite classes that people enjoy attending. I've had people attend it again and again just for a different experience with different people and being able to bring in the angels and this divine energy that can help to guide you. So if you're interested in something like that, I have only a few spots left for that session. And you can contact me. You can go through my website, rosemaryd.com, Hands of Light by Rosemary. And you can email me as well at info@rosemaryd.com. I also do private sessions. So I do these on Zoom. I also do angel readings, angel communication readings. And there's many workshops that I offer. I also have a host of about 6 or 7 self-study courses that you can take that have my videos in them that I've made. And also I'll respond, there's sections where you fill out things and then I see it on my phone and then I respond back to you. So you also have me guiding you along the way, not only in the course, but also kind of peeking in to see how you're doing. And if you have a question along the way, you can ask. So I want you to look up rosemaryd.com, Hands of Light by Rosemary in New Jersey, and see if you're interested in signing up for a course or looking at many of the information I have on my website. I was also an author, so I have many published books, both for kid literature and adults. If you are a parent of a child who likes reading or you want to get them enticed with books, you can explore my other website next to Hands of Light by Rosemary called Grow Your Spirit Books. And you can click on the different things and it'll bring you to the buy links on Amazon. And I also do school visits if they're local, so you can contact me for that as well. So I look forward to hearing from you. Again, have a beautiful day and find me at rosemaryd.com. On the 26th of March, hopefully my podcast will be ready to air on Brave and Bold Television, and I'll be on every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. You can call in. The focus of this show is going to be spiritual growth, and it will be called The Light Walker's Path. And it's going to be having some guests that are in the spiritual realm, in the healing realm. I have many people that are anxious to come on with me. And also, I'll be there to guide you along the way. So don't forget, check it out and contact Rosemary. Have a great day.